Many publishers use DFP to manage AdSense and ad exchange campaigns, as well as campaigns for advertisers from other platforms. Once you integrate with DFP, the DFP Backfill tab will include AdSense and AdX data for ads that are served through DFP. Keep in mind that only the DFP Google Publisher tag is required for this integration to work. You don't need the AdSense or the AdX tags. The DFP tab shows metrics for non-AdSense and non-AdX campaigns that you're managing through DFP. To get started, review the Help Center link at the end of this lesson for important details about the integration process. When reviewing the setup details, keep in mind the following points. While the DFP data found within Analytics 360 is useful for analysis and targeting, these reports should not be used for accounting work or financial reconciliation. Historical data is not available. DFP data in Analytics 360 is available only from the point of linking, so get your integration done early. The DFP reporting integration supports AMP pages and ads served by the Google Publisher tags. Video and ads served by the DFP SDKs for Android and iOS are not supported. With regard to remarketing, all use cases and platforms are supported, excluding server-side delivery based on publisher-provided identifiers. And lastly, data this integration provides is most valuable if both DFP and Analytics 360 are integrated consistently across the same online properties. It's possible to link multiple Analytics 360 accounts to DFP and vice versa. Connect with your Google Analytics 360 team to further discuss these considerations and kick off the integration process. You should now understand the benefits of the DFP integration and be familiar with where to find your DFP data within Analytics 360. You've also walked through some examples of how you might leverage this data to gain more insight into content performance and user behavior, and to construct high-value audiences for monetization opportunity.